In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use negative keywords lists in Google Ads effectively. A perfect guide for beginners. If you're looking to optimize your Google Ads campaigns and improve their performance by preventing your ads from showing up for unwanted search terms, then mastering negative keywords is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and explore how you can manage this important aspect of your Google Ads strategy. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to Google Ads. This is your go-to platform for managing your advertising campaigns online. It's a powerful tool that allows businesses to target potential customers through search, display, video, and more. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. In case you haven't created an account yet, there's an option to sign up, but today we're focusing on those who already have an account. Simply click on sign in and enter your credentials to access the Google Ads home. Upon entering the Google Ads home, you'll see an overview of your current campaigns, past performances, and a variety of metrics. Our focus will be on one specific component to enhance our ad campaigns, the negative keywords list. Now, you'll see different tabs at the top of your dashboard. Look for the campaigns tab and click on it. This section houses all the details related to your active and paused campaigns. From here, navigate to the audiences, keywords, and content tab. This is where you can find all things related to targeting and segment management. Next, click on the subsection titled Keywords. Google provides a host of options under this section for keyword management, allowing you to add, review, and adjust both standard and negative keywords. Our specific interest today is managing negative keywords. You'll notice an option for negative keywords, which is incredibly useful for narrowing down the audience that sees your ads. Click on this option to proceed. Once inside the negative keywords section, the critical task is to add new negative keywords to your list. By doing so, you're refining who sees your advertisements, strategically excluding those who aren't likely to engage or convert based on irrelevant search terms. Click on Add Negative Keywords to start updating your list. Here you can enter specific words or phrases that you want to exclude from your ad triggers. Remember, choosing the right negative keywords can help save on ad spend, as it ensures your ads are not shown to users unlikely to become customers. To wrap up, understanding and using negative keywords in your campaigns is a game changer. It will not only enhance the relevance of your ads, but also maximize your return on investment by filtering out low performing scenarios. I hope you found this guide insightful as you embark on optimizing your Google Ads campaigns. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.